On top of traditional AI training, so workshops, courses, webinars, and yes, we still need all that stuff for things like software training and AI literacy, the foundational topics. But on top of that kind of classroom learning, the best AI leaders are also implementing experiential learning. They're using employee self-selected projects. Here's how you roll something like that out. First, everybody in the company picks their own self-selected project. Here's how you want to do it. First, you want to tell them, hey, look for a tool that solves one specific little daily headache, kind of like a frustrating chore that they have to do manually that they want to eliminate. So they pick one problem and the AI tool that goes with that. Second, and this is crucial, it has to be something they're genuinely curious about. The whole point of this exercise is technology is just, it's too vast right now for one person to master everything. Employee agency builds intrinsic motivation. So you want your employees to each find their own little slice of AI that aligns with their special interests and the experience that they already have. If somebody's in HR, they're probably going to be fascinated by like an AI resume screener, but the graphic designer down the hall, they're going to want to play with the new art and design tools. Whereas a totally non-technical person, they shouldn't be forced to use a coding assistant. So it's all about letting people go all in on a niche that naturally is going to map to something that they already care about. Finally, of course, the project needs to map to one of their KPIs. We want to make sure that this AI experiment is relevant to the actual work that they're doing. So it has to be naturally embedded right into their regular workday hours. The last thing that we want is for this to feel like extra work that was just added to their plate for the sake of experimenting. Most important rule for leaders rolling this out: during this phase, don't keep score on what they produce. Their early products that they get out of this could be complete garbage, and that is exactly the point, because you want them to learn the process.